Welcome again, usual host Mr. Victor here. And if you recall from our last video, we have been talking about the early history of chemistry. In that video, we talked about one objective. The objective was for us to know the Greeks' idea of chemistry, okay, or the Greeks' idea of chemical reactions, or you could say the Greeks' idea of matter. And in that video, we said that the Greeks said chemical reactions actually occur because all matter is made up of four basic elements, namely earth, fire, air, and water, in no particular order, okay? And that Democritus and Lysippus actually supported the idea that matter is made up of tiny indivisible particles known as atoms. Alright, so they called it atomos. That was the Greek idea of chemistry. But there was a drawback to their idea, and we mentioned that drawback. The Greeks relied only on their thoughts. They never really had what it took to test their hypothesis or test their experiments. They never had the resources or the tools necessary to do that. And that is why at that time, most of their ideas were never really accepted. Now that takes us to another aspect of the early history of chemistry. 2,000 years later, about 2,000 years after the Greeks had posited their idea of why chemical reactions occur, another science, I call it a pseudoscience, meaning it wasn't entirely real science. Why? Because some of the people embarked on this particular form of science were fakes, in the sense that they said they could turn certain substances into another. We're going to find out now. Remember, the second objective was to discuss the idea of the alchemist, if you've been following the class. But if you're just joining us for the first time, remember again, we're talking about the early history of chemistry. And if you watch the previous video, you could later check through, you subscribe, check through the previous video, and you're going to see where we talked about the Greeks' idea of chemical reactions. Remember that most of chemistry is all about chemical reactions. Now, we're looking at the idea of the alchemists. The alchemists' idea was a science, a pseudoscience, like I earlier pointed, known as alchemy. And what did the alchemists believe? Some of the alchemists that weren't really serious about what they're doing, put it down when it came to science, actually were selling this idea that they could turn cheap metals into gold. That was basically what it was hinged upon. Now imagine turning your spoon in the house to gold. How wonderful would that be? Yeah? Imagine turning a coin into gold, a silver coin or aluminium pots in the house into gold. That was the idea that some of these alchemists actually posited or actually proposed. Now, I call them fakes because even up till now we know that such things has not even occurred. Turning your silver spoon in the house into gold. Well, I can't really say. But there were some others. There were actually some others who were kind of really serious about this science of alchemy. And these ones were able to discover several elements, okay? These elements are some we're going to mention as the subject continues. And one very, very interesting thing about this particular set of serious alchemists was that they were able to prepare the mineral acids that we know today. When I say mineral acids, you know what I'm talking about. Hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and the rest of them. These acids have been for quite some time before you and I were born, So the alchemists, the serious ones among them, actually learned to prepare mineral acids. Okay, the other ones, the other set of unserious ones were promoting the idea that you could turn any cheap metal around you into gold. Well, for the fact that you've never seen that happen today, I don't think you're going to accept that idea. But the serious ones discovered several other elements that we're going to be considering as time goes by. Now, remember, we're talking about the early history of chemistry. The Greeks had posited theirs, but they had a major setback. They relied only on their thoughts. The alchemists came after a couple of years, over a millennium, okay, and came up with this idea as well. And they made their discoveries of certain elements and the preparation of mineral acids. That's briefly what you have to know about the idea of the alchemist. What is the alchemist idea? Some of them said, or you say, some alchemists were obsessed with the idea of turning cheap metals into gold. Okay, remember this alchemist actually came after the Greeks' idea. Actually came after the idea promoted by the Greeks. Alright, so some of them were obsessed with the idea of turning cheap metals into gold. Alright, and others discovered some elements. Now, some of these elements discovered back then, a long time ago. So some alchemists actually contributed to discovering some of the elements that we know today. Some elements that we know today, as well as prepared mineral acids. So we see these very serious ones, the other alchemists, really make a lot of sense in preparing mineral acids that we know today, and also discovering some elements that we also know today. Quite very interesting, isn't it? So you see, the Greeks' idea had been watered down to some point because it wasn't really tested and proven. Well, the alchemists came up and they had a few tools that could help them to prepare mineral acids and to discover some elements. That was the alchemist idea. The final idea is what we'll be coming up with. Robert Boyle. Yes, up next in a subsequent video, we'll be talking about Robert Boyle's contribution to chemistry. We're going to see that he made a very huge impact to the development of chemistry. Alright, so that's going to come up in our next video. See you there.